Hi, this is Raymond Rafferty with Ensage Technologies, and this video is going to talk about agent communications within MyAmeriteam.com. And this is really an overview to give you an idea of what are the different types of communications that are available to you within MyAmeriteam.com. First of all, the different types of communications break down into three different groups: public communications, communications with your clients, and internal communications with the management and other agents within MyAmeriteam. First of all, let's talk about public communications. Your major vehicle for communicating with the public is your agent page. You also have the ability to add articles and videos within the site to create more robust types of communications. So let's first of all take a look at what does an agent page look like. I have one agent page here that is Raymond-Agento.MyAmeriteam.com. This is my demonstration user, and when I go to that page, it shows me a picture, shows me information that I've entered into my profile. It can show me telephone numbers if you put those in. It can show you one of any of 5 different social networks that you belong to: LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and a couple others, and quick links to those. Shows you what service area that you're servicing. It shows you any listings that you have, any articles that you've either written or that you have selected to show up on your page, and any videos that you have either added or again selected to show up on your page. So this is a major way that you can communicate with the general public. You can also create articles in the article section. So if you're logged on, you can create an article in here, and that will show up on this page and again show up on your personal web page. And the same thing for videos. In videos, you can either create your own videos and upload those to the site, or you can find videos out on YouTube and other video sharing sites and add those in here as well. The second major group that you'll be communicating with are your clients. We refer to you'll see these as connections. You'll also be able to communicate on their profile and through our message center, and then they each have a quick link to the agent that has been assigned to them, either when they selected an agent that they were already working with, or as we automatically assign an agent to them. So let's go ahead and log in as my demo agent. And the first thing that it does is it brings me to my profile. And my profile is really an important hub of communications for me. I can create status updates. So if I want to say I can post simple information here that will show up at the top, and it also shows in my listing here. I can share links to different pages. So if I want to share a link out to, let's say, a particular property, let's go find a property, and we'll just choose this one here. I'm going to copy this URL, and then a quick way to get back to your profile is just clicking on your name at the top right hand corner. And I'm going to share a link, and it's going to go out and try to grab information about that property or about what's on that page, whatever page that may be. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. So now it has this. So when people come to my page, and those people that are following me, they can actually see this same link and information that I've shared out. I can create notes. We're a little bit more robust than status updates. I can add photos if I have property photos I want to add. I can upload a file if I have some type of communication that I want to upload that way. I can import information from other blogs and feeds. So for instance, I have a blog at get my link here. Yes, I'm going to save that. And now what you'll see is this information has actually come from my blog that's out in the blogosphere. So I can bring that in. I can also create events that I can invite other people to. So this is a major way on your activity page to communicate with people. The About page just has information entered for my profile. Most of that shows up on my agent page, which the link is up here. The connections are the different people that I'm connected to, and again, all of your customers, all of your buyers and sellers are connected to you. So let's go out and we're going to take a look at Jeff Smith, and I'm going to write a little note on, or a status update on his wall. And when I do this, Jeff is also going to get an email notification about this. I can also add photos. If I have a particular photo of a property that I've shown them, I can do that. I can upload files. If I have a contract file or something else, I can share that out to them this way. We also have the Message Center. And the Message Center allows you to send information to people. So this is a message that Jeff Smith had sent me. And then you'll also see messages that you've sent to other people. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to write a new message to Jeff. And so I'm going to start typing in his name, Jeff Smith, subject, and I can put other information in here. I also can create an attachment that I can send to them as well. And once I send this, Jeff is also going to get an email notification so that he knows that I've sent him a message through the portal. So this is the message that I just sent to him. So again, it's a nice way for you to keep track of messaging that you send back and forth to clients and customers. And then finally, there is internal communications. Again, you can use my profile to do that. You also belong to an agent group where there's forums and discussions, frequently asked questions, event calendars, things where both the Ameriteam management and other agents can communicate with you. So let's take a quick look at that. So on the left hand side you'll see a link to the agents group. Let's go to that. And what you'll see is something that looks like your profile, but again, this is for the agents group. So the first thing that you want to do probably is subscribe to information. What this does is this sends notifications to you through the message center and then to your email if you're set up that way, which by default you are. And anytime one of these things is added, you can decide which things you want notification on. So if there's a new topic in the forum, if someone's replied to a topic, you can get notifications on that. If someone shared a link, a note, photos, status, or they've uploaded a file. So I'm going to receive notifications on everything from the agents group. You can share information here, status information. Again, the same way that you do on your profile. You can share a link, you can share notes, add photos, upload a file, or import a feed. You can see who the members, who the other agents are within the system. So if you need to send them a message, etc., you can do that. any discussions that are going on. So these topics, right now there are announcements that are set up. So these would be communications from Alan and management to the agents. There are other forums that are here that are for general discussion where anybody can add a topic into those. You can add in new listing information if you want to describe more information about something. New buyer requirements, marketing strategies, and we can add to the different types of forms that are here if there's interest in doing so. You can add photos and see different photo albums. For instance, Alan added a photo album for the team photo shoot. And then this is also where events will be posted by Alan and management that you can RSVP to. So this will actually be a hub for communication between Ameriteam Realty and you as an agent. So this is going to be vitally important that you get used to coming into here, that you subscribe to things so that you can get notifications about what's going on with Ameriteam. There are also newsletters that you can subscribe to, and Alan will be working on getting some of those out soon. So that pretty much is a review of the different types of communications for an agent within MyAmeriteam.com. Again, the public communications mainly from your agent page, but you can again create articles, add videos. The client communications for your connections through your profile and through your clients' profiles, as well as the message center. And again, each customer that's connected to you will have a quick link back to your profile as well, so that they can communicate with you very easily. And then internal communications both through your profile, through the agent group, and the forums and events that are in there.